Hello and welcome to Quix Pro tutorial. Today I will show you the call to action element. Using this element, you can make very useful and beautiful call to actions for your website. As you can see, there are many call to action designs and all these are made by the call to action element. Now scroll up and click on the plus icon. Search for call to action element and then click on the call to action element. From the general tab, select image skin. Click here to select a background from the library. Once the background is loaded, set the alter text here. Click on the content panel and edit your title, the subtitle, and also the description. Add a content image from here. You can also use an icon if you want. Alter the icon size and change the icon color from here. Now tweak the button. Change the button text and choose the button type. Link the button and set the target. In the additional settings, you can set the title tag and also the subtitle tag. Now go to the Styles tab and click on Panel. Select your panel height and set minimum height. Click here to set the minimum height for different devices. Set the vertical position from here and alignment from here. Set the padding from here. Click on the title panel and select a title color. You can set the hover color from here. Spacing lets you adjust the space between the title and the description. From here, you can set the font, font weight, and also manage font size. The text transform, style, and decorations are here. You can alter line height, letter spacing, and also text shadow. Select text color, then hover color, and then adjust spacing. You can set font, font weight, and font size from here. Set text transformation, style, and decoration, alter line height, letter spacing, and add text shadow. From the description panel, style description. It's the same process as the preceding panel. Now let's style a button. Set button color, hover color. Set background color, or you can set an image for the background. You can choose to tweak with the blend mode if you like as well. Now scroll up and select a color to blend with the image. You can use a gradient background, start color, end color, gradient type, gradient direction, start position, and end position. From here, you can set the hover style and all options are same. Now again, add the background color, increase the border width, and also set the border radius. You can change the border color and border hover color from here. Typography options are common everywhere and you can set the typography according to preference. Button padding is unique for the button and you can set the padding from here. Click on background overlay and select overlay color. You can see the color is applied over the background image. You can also set the hover overlay color. Choose the blend mode and hover blend mode as per your preference. Click on content image. Go back to the general tab and set a content image to understand it. Now go back to the style tab. Tweak with content image width and spacing. Set border radius to make the corners rounded. Go to the general tab, click on the image panel and select image skin. Now scroll down and click on the content panel. Delete content image and go to the styles tab. Click on panel and select height. Go to the general tab and select image. Set image position. Now click on the advanced tab, click background and set background color. Now click on hover and select hover color. Go back to the styles tab. For panel, set the padding. Click on title and select title color. Scroll down to subtitle and select the subtitle color, go to description and set description color. Go to the general tab, click on image and set image position. Click apply when you're happy with the changes. That's it for the call to action video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.
Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact WeVive today.